just want to show you how you can use the MaxPixel mobile app to insert data into your spreadsheet by taking a picture with your phone. So to do this, first you want to navigate to the Insert tab by going down to the bottom right and tapping on the up arrow. Then on the bottom left corner, you'll see an option where you can navigate to different tabs right here, and you're going to want to click on the Insert button right there. Then second from the top, you're going to see an option for data from picture. And whenever you tap on that, your camera will open and you will be able to take a picture, which you can then use to input the data into your Excel. In this example, I have the nutrition facts for a box of popcorn. So now you want to then get the best image possible that you can of your data. So, like you just use this for example, then click button right there. In Excel, we'll try to then guess what data you're trying to extract, where you can kind of edit as you crop and edit the picture as you need it. So just say I wanted to get only this table right here. Then click continue. Now Excel is going to be taking its time to extract the data from the image that you just took in the most clean way possible. One thing to note too is that it probably won't always be clean, and it works best whenever the data is tabular. So as you can see, the image I took really wasn't that great because there was a glare at the bottom, so Excel really couldn't read that in very well at all, as you can tell. Whereas, for example, where there wasn't a glare, it read it in fairly decently, and at the bottom it just didn't. And Excel will try to guess what it read. So it's confident, for example, if it had the 14G and 18% correct, but it doesn't think it had, like, it's questionable on the total fat or saturated fat, as you can tell by how it's highlighted in this red tint. And you can go through every single one of them and tap on each cell and to edit the data and confirm that it's correct. So for example, calories, we know that it's correct. But on the other hand, so you can tap ignore. You know the spelling is correct too, so you can tap ignore. But total fat, ignore. But we go to the bottom, tap on this right here. We know that this is not correct, so we can tap on that and click edit. And then we can type what we think what it actually is. So include added sugars, and then click done. And do that until your data is where you want it to be. And once you have done that, you can click open. And right now it says 79 items in your review. I'm just going to open anyways for this example. So we'll clap open anyways. And as you can see, it has been imported into the Excel sheet. So that's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching.